got unloaded, but this smart person somehow decided to plug the driveway. For some hard, stupid reason. Trying to back in, that jackass just blocked the whole shit up. I bet he went inside. I don't think he's in the damn truck. The guy can't get the damn truck in. Fucking truck, you dumbass. Look at this jackass. Fucking idiot. See his ass in there? See it? Goddamn dumb motherfucker. Christmas tree in Rincon, Georgia. What a pub. That's where we need to go, Pop, me and you. We are in Rincon. There you go. Rincon. We're heading back home. Dunkin' Donut. I gotta be careful when I'm raising this corn because there'll be cops out here raising. Now we go behind them. Look at this cat. Always slipping. Every single second he can, he goes to sleep. And then when you ask him, oh, I'm just checking my eyelid. I'm gonna cut the damn eyelid out. How dark it is out there, Bob. lights. That's a low. Yeah, that's high. Needs to be adjusted a little bit, I think. Needs to go up a little. And that's the light that the normal headlights. Bunch of trees. You hardly see anything. That's how cold it is. Nothing. The road is dead. Moon, a whole bunch of stars. Dead. Let's get out of here. How the light look? We got construction zone. There's a sign right here. It says speeding fine. That sign right there. There is no speed limit posted. What the speed limit is for construction zone. The speed limit without construction zone is what, 65? But they put the sign that says there's a double fine for speeding in construction zone, but there is no sign about it what the speed is. Okay, 65 right here. Construction zone. There ain't no speed limit. So what is the fine for if there is no specific speed limit for being in construction zone? Or they assume that we know what it is. I guess they're gonna be like, well, you already know construction zone is always 55 miles an hour. But it's not posted. 65. If it ain't posted, how do we know? Because if that's the case, if we're supposed to know automatically that construction zone is over 55 miles an hour, then why bother posting a 65 mile an hour zone speed limit? Well, we could automatically assume that it's 65 or 70.